Hello children, the topic for class 9 students today is algebraic identities. We have already learned 4 identities last year, which we recapped this year, and we have learned 3 identities this year already, isn't it? Today we will learn the 4th and the last identity. So let us recap the identities that we learned this year. What was that? We had a plus b whole cube was equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared. Yes, this was the first identity that we learned this year. And the next identity that we learned was a minus b whole cube was equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared. Right? Okay. Now, the next identity that we learned was a plus b plus c, the whole square was equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. That is ab, bc and ca. These 3 identities we learned this year, right? Now the last identity that we are going to see is like this. You have x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed minus 3xyz is equal to, you have x plus y plus z into x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, so it's a product of 2 terms. The first term is x plus y plus z into x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus xy minus yz minus zx is equal to x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed minus 3xyz. Now these are the identities that you will use this year. Now we have seen examples of how to use this identity in different situations. Like that, this one also can be used by expanding the identity correctly. Just say they have given a sum like this. Now if they say 8x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed minus 6xyz is equal to expand. Now what will this be? This is of the form 2x the whole cubed, isn't it? So how can I write this? I can write this as 2x the whole cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed minus. Now this is 3xyz, 3 into 2x into y into z, right? So this is of this identity. So how will I expand? First term is x plus y plus z. What is my x here? 2x plus. What is my y? Y is the same and z, right? Into. Now here I will have x squared. That means 2x the whole square. And what is that? 4x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus x into y. X into y is 2x into y is 2xy minus y into z will be yz minus z into x will be 2xz. So this identity is the last identity where we use to expand these kind of terms. Are we okay with this? Okay. Now this identity also can be used in a different situation. They say, supposing x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then what happens if it is given? Supposing they say given x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then what will we get? Find out x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to what? Okay. So in this case, what is x cube plus y cube plus z cube? minus 3xyz, this is the formula, right? Now this term has become 0, that is what is given. So if this has become 0, so what will 0 into any number be? 0. So what will you get? That implies x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 0. Have you understood? So if this is going to be 0, what is x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to? 3xyz. Have you understood? So if they are given x plus y plus z equal to 0 and they want you to find x cube plus y cube plus z cube, so this is the answer. So this can be used even in sums. Just saying, for example, they ask you to find the value of minus 12 whole cube plus 7 whole cube plus 5 whole cube without actual multiplication. Now this is of the form x cube plus y cube plus z cube. And what is that we have found? X plus y plus z. What is x plus y plus z equal to? If we find minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. What is that equal to? This is equal to 0. Yes? So if this is equal to 0, that is x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then in that case what is x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to? 3 into x into y into z. So this is equal to 3 into what is my x? Minus 12 into what is my y? 7 into z is 5. So if you multiply, you will get minus, and you multiply it out, you will get the corresponding answer. Understand? So that is how you find the value of cubes, addition of cubes, when we find x plus y plus z equal to 0. Okay, now what will you get here? 12 5s are 60, 60 into 21, so 6, 1 2 6 0. So you get minus 1 2 6 0. So that will be your answer. Have you got it? Okay. So this is the last identity. Now today I will give you some sums based on these 4 identities that you have learned this year, so that you can expand using identities. Now there is another thing that you should know. Supposing we have given you expanded form. Just say they have given you like this, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. They want you to factorize. Now what is this? This is the expanded form of which formula? This is equal to a plus b the cube. So have I factorized this? Actually, what is this? It is a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. So have I factorized this? So when the identity is fully expanded, we can factorize and shrink it to the original form also. Understand? So that is something you can do. Say supposing you have another thing like this. Just say you have 4x squared plus y squared plus 9z squared, okay, plus 4xy plus 3 2s are 6yz plus 3 2s are 6 2s are 12zx. Okay, now this they want you to factorize. Now if you see, this is of the form x plus y plus z the whole square, remember that formula? But only thing is, x is not just x squared. What is it? 2x the whole square. So this, if I factorize, you will get plus 2x the whole square. This will be y the whole square, and this will be 3z the whole square. So what can I write this whole thing equal to? 2x plus y plus 3z the whole square. So in this case, now we have the expanded form, we have shrunk to the factor. Have you understood? So these type of sums also can be asked in this chapter. With this, we come to the end of Polynomials chapter. I will give you some sums based on this. I would like you to do it and understand the concept. Stay home, stay safe. Have a good day, children. Thank you.